Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps repair and build tissue. When you apply vitamin E to your scalp, it helps reduce inflammation and repair damage to the follicles. Unhealthy follicles encourage hair growth. Vitamin E is available in pill form, as a dietary supplement in the vitamin section of the drugstore. You can use the vitamin E gel from the supplement capsules as a topical skin treatment. Things you'll need: mild shampoo, towel, vitamin E gel caps, grapeseed, sesame or carrot oil, small dish, comb, hair clips. Wash your hair and scalp with a mild shampoo. Squeeze the excess water from your hair, and blot your hair with a towel until damp. The vitamin E penetrates best on a clean scalp. Pour a quarter-sized amount of grapeseed, sesame or carrot oil into a small dish. Use grapeseed oil for normal hair, sesame oil for oily hair and carrot oil for dry hair. Pierce 2 vitamin E capsules with a pin, and squeeze the contents into the oil. The oils help the vitamin E spread more easily. Part your hair into 4 sections, front to back and ear to ear. Twist each section and clip it to your head. Release one section of your hair. Dip your fingers into the vitamin E oil, rub your fingers together and massage the oil into your scalp. Work the oil from the roots to the ends. Repeat with the remaining sections. For short hair, massage the oil directly into your scalp, without parting your hair into sections. Vitamin E oil is very helpful in dealing with hair fall. It provides intense and complete nourishment to your scalp and hair. Well-nourished scalp and hair will automatically result in less hair fall, and growth of better quality hair. A hot oil treatment combining coconut oil and vitamin E oil is one of the most effective and easiest ways to stop hair fall. Take 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil and coconut oil. Warm it gently and then massage onto your scalp in circular motions, so that the oil penetrates into the scalp. Leave it overnight and wash it in the morning. This ritual works wonderfully both to curb hair fall and stimulate hair growth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips.